Do it.
What do I say? My name is Miles O'Malley. Welcome to Brass Instruments.
You want to record, Haley?
I
You
can.
want to clock in? You want Haley to do it?
Will we get to try it?
Try who? Drinking it? If you want.
I want to try one.
You can try one. Yeah, that's what you want.
Yeah.
It fits, pretty much. As the jazzers say, it's close enough for jazz. I'm hip with it. Okay, so now we empty it.
They use the same matrix when you do bells.
Yep, same thing for everything. Want to get a close up? Some close up action. Purple! You want to try and drink?
Should I?
No. All it is. And then we anneal it, and then we'll ball it out. We'll do it with a hammer too, to show the children at home how easy it is to ball up. Let's go anneal it. Nice. Whoa. Okay, so now we ball that baby out with balls. I need calipers.
Lube.
I got lube. Okay. I got lube for days. What are you laughing at? Okay, let me get calipers so I can find balls.
Where are your balls?
Let's go find balls. Let's
So I can do this?
do what?
Faster.
Faster.
This is riveting.
Thrilling YouTube content.
Yeah.
At one point I had 1,000 of these.
Where'd they go?
The 438. They just disappeared.
Adam's walking off the window.
Yeah, Adam is stealing the scrap. Sorry. The f are you doing? New characters. Who the f is that? No. I lost all my balls, Kevin. Adam, where did all the balls go?
Why would I know?
I don't know. Where'd the dish I just had go? I feel like that's not enough. There might be. Oh yeah? I knew I had a lot of these. It's important to check them all before you use them. Because if you accidentally put a ball down there that's too big, now the die just...
Oh, the die is bad. Yeah.
Or you shatter a ball and then you just like gotta pick out of the die. It's terrible.
Are you speaking this from experience?
Yes. Oh, I need to put pins in the die. Colin's gonna love this. It'll make this seem so much funnier than it actually is.
How many are there?
I need 2. Oh! We'll never need to make a Bach trumpet die ever again. I think these are too big now. Yeah, I gotta turn these down. It's becoming too much work. Not this one. Not the one in front of me. Different power drill. I'll find it. What are you laughing at?
How much of your daily manufacturing is looking for things?
Shut up!
90%.
Yeah.
Shut up! It's getting better, okay? I need a belt. It's in the basement. Adam! 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 Can you throw me a 220 standing belt? Yeah? A little bit more.
French people.
Fucking Frenchies. Can you say that?
Yes, that's perfectly politically correct.
You shove the side with Preston in there and then the side of paper from on the other side. You know what I'm saying? You want a hammer? Don't miss. It'll go like. Oh, you know what? Let's be smart.
Oh, hey.
I don't want to hit it with a hammer. Woo! Nice. Okay, still fits.
You gotta fire the guy who's raising your bells.
You find another messed up one?
Maybe.
Okay, it should work. Don't tell mom. Okay, that'll go. That'll work. What do you think? They're fit good enough for you there, Miss Chen? Acceptable? So this is how to quick and dirty ball out a trumpet crook. You need a die and you need a trumpet crook. And you just put it
Balls.
in balls. And balls. You gotta know where the balls go. C-clamp.
Here.
How many do you need?
What'd you do last Sunday? Watched an insane man fall out of a trumpet crook. Should be half a thousand solder round. You wanna do it? Okay, so you put the ball on. There you go. Don't go too far. There you go.
Why not too far?
Because you don't want to hit this tip into like where it starts bending.
Where does it start bending?
Like pretty soon.
Let's go.
Keep going, just keep going. Don't question it. It's all this is part of the process.
The other one dropped.
See it yet?
No news.
Yeah, it's starting to come up.
Oh, hello.
What'd I do? No.
I like this gossip.
Oh, so
Give it
cool.
a little more hit, one more hit.
Alright.
Yeah. And that's how it's supposed to work.
Did I f up?
No.
Ah, soak.
Let's see how many balls I actually made. Okay, that's respectable. That's a good amount of balls. So a little pro tip, if it doesn't come out easy, you just tap it with a hammer on one side and it goes. And now we have a beautifully balled out crook with a weird spot. So this was garbage. But that's how you do it. It's just because we had a little crease in the bend there.
Did I do anything wrong?
No. There you go, Kyle.
Oh, I see. It's like a high spot.
The bore is smooth, it's just a little irregular. It will technically stand out.
I mean, it's probably fine for a prototype.
Figure it out. We can make more tomorrow too.